Unifying the agent desktop experience is a priority that we hear about a lot. You see, during an interaction, agents have to navigate through multiple windows that are open to access the information that they need. This can cause some productivity issues and just generally makes the agent's life harder because they have to keep switching back and forth between these windows. Our latest integration allows you to unify your systems and provide all the visual guidance that the agent needs right inside of Salesforce. Let me show you how it works. Here we see a customer that filled out a web form requesting services at their new home. Procedureflow can now be embedded directly into Salesforce to guide the agents through every step of a process. When I select the case reason, it's going to automatically recommend the next best action. This way, agents no longer need to guess the process and the correct flow will pop up. With Procedureflow, agents are guided through every step and exception in a process. Each step can be clicked through to provide more information on how to use the various systems and make sure that the process is followed with higher accuracy. Visual knowledge allows for better understanding and navigation of a process. Learn how you can help your agents be more productive by requesting a demo at procedureflow.com.